This is my Auto-Licking Lickitung Robot. Everyone's least favourite Pokemon just got more cursed.
Of course, you're all excited to see it slather its moist tongue across some human flesh. But if you just hold on for a minute and let me show you how it works first, then we can see this Pokemon that should have never existed look at a variety of things.
Some people may be thinking it is just a printed piece of paper stuck to some cardboard. And well, yeah, they would be correct. But I prefer to think of it as recyclable, eco-friendly, and not containing any baby seal cup parts. As you can see here, I used the entirety of my physics degree to come up with this design. A servo motor and an ultrasonic sensor attached to cardboard and controlled by an Arduino. And here's the code that required 100% brain power to write these 20 lines. If you get within range of the Lickitung, it starts to lick. The closer you get to it, the faster it licks. The tongue is two fake prank tongues back to back. Look at them wibble. And despite what it looks like, no. I haven't been day drinking swigs of neat gin at 2 in the afternoon. I'm not an alcoholic, I'm just depressed. So I had it with tonic water. Originally, it had 2 motors for a more chaotic licking with another degree of motion. But being made from paper, it was too flimsy to handle such grand ambitions.
I had to move the ultrasonic sensor above its head instead of in its eyes, because when it was in its eyes, the tongue here would trigger it as it moved up and down, and it would just continuously go.
And that is not what we wanted. False triggering when there was nothing actually there. And I had to add some 9-volt batteries here to weigh it down so it wouldn't shake itself to death when it started the licking. You may be wondering which episode I took this image of the Lickitung from. It's not the standard image because I needed shots of it without its tongue for obvious reasons. It is from episode 52, Princess vs. Princess. I found the parts where the Lickitung is shown with its tongue still in its mouth throughout the entire episode, and I took a load of screenshots. I had to combine a few images in Photoshop to make it look straight, and also made its mouth bigger so I could get more room for that tongue to flap.
Okay, here's the part you've been waiting for. Let's see this glorious creation licking some things.
With this patent pending Pokemon robot, save your tongue from paper cuts as it licks envelopes for you. Let's see how it handles a crusty yogurt pot lid. Do you want to know how far the tongue will stretch? It starts at 6 centimeters, but we can stretch it to 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and good news, now you will never have to lick the shit stains off an armless bearded baby again. "13 centimeters, 17, 18 centimeters. And I know what you're all here to see. What your curious little minds are wondering. Can it lick a banana covered in cream?
Holy world!
So I had to zoom out here, but it is going past the whole ruler. You may be questioning how the tongue gets moisture for licking. I'll show you. Or maybe not. Can't be having such not safe for work smut here. The ruler wasn't big enough, we needed the tape measure. 35 centimeters, 38 centimeters, 40... Oh. So while we watch this ice cream being decimated, here are a few extra jokes. My girlfriend told me I was disgusting for licking the bowl after I'd finished. I guess she was used to most people just flushing. I heard they found Harry Potter licking packages in the mailroom again. That parcel tongue.